Sometime wife deserted herself from matrimonial house, and she has married with the intention to harass and torture husband, because husband status is very much higher than the status in comparison the status of his wife. In that very situation, the wife generally demand lot of facility from husband, even not doing her duty properly. She is not uh, living as a good housewife. She is not looking after home, his relatives, his old parents, and enjoying lifestyle, heavy sound lifestyle, go to kitties parties, and doesn't do any work, and always demand so many things and money from the husband. In that very situation, if the wife always threaten husband, if the demands are not being fulfilled, then she will go to the court and file different cases: domestic violence act, 498 a dowry act, and so on. So in that very situation, always remember, if domestic violence act is being filed by the wife, the mother-in-law of the your mother, husband mother, can always file domestic violence act against his daughter-in-law. Secondly, if 498 case has been filed, there will be no arrest, because investigating officer is being instructed by the Supreme Court that he has to take 2 months time for investigation, and proper investigation is to be taken care of. If something is lacking or he is not doing his duty honestly, then he will be changed also. So need not to worry, because in 125 CRPC, where the maintenance case is concerned, if she has deserted herself from matrimonial house, in that very situation she is not liable to get maintenance, because she is not interested to live in her house happily. So child need not to worry, always take precautions, and justice is always there. Thank you so much for listening to me. Regards, you find the information very productive and you like it, and you can give certain beautiful comment also to encourage me, so that I can keep on loading such kind of videos. Regards.